guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be eating my college lifestyle snack. But nah, for real, in today's video I'm here to tell y'all the truth about college. So if y'all don't know, I was previously going to a technical college, which is why when I transferred, they considered me a sophomore. But I was going there 2 years, so I'm really supposed to be a junior. But the way that the technical college and the university is set up, they don't accommodate certain credits. So all my credits didn't transfer, so they dropped me down to grade. But it's okay, because I'm in the grade I'm supposed to be in. Growing up in school, all my friends would be older than me. I would always be the young one. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this because it happens to everybody all the time. But yeah, so this is my first time attending college, like living on campus, full-time student, everything. And y'all, it has its ups and its downs. For me, before I was working here, before I was going to school here, I was working 2 jobs. So I had bills to pay, I had a car note, insurance, and my phone bill. I still have that to pay. So I have to find a job soon, y'all. That's some of the downs. Also, I love sports, so I'm trying to play volleyball. I made the volleyball team, by the way. But I'm trying to play sports, so I'm trying to weigh out my schedule and see if I'll be available to do that, and it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do that. Also, I play basketball, so I don't think I'm going to do that. Like, it's just a lot of stuff to do in college, and you have to like figure out what you want to make time for. Next, it's completely different. You're so used to living under your parents' roof. Like, I'm speaking for me. And I'm sure y'all had rules. I'm sure every family has rules or whatnot, but like for me, I'm just like, it's a whole nother level of freedom. I'm grown now. And it's so crazy to me to this day. Like I'm stressing about bills type grown. Schoolwork. Should have brought that up first. That's not how people make it seem. Like, everybody's always like, oh my gosh, college is so hard. It's so much harder than high school. It's really not. You just gotta be dedicated. You gotta want to learn. It's all about dedication when it comes to like classwork. If you're not dedicated, nothing gonna get done, I swear to you. I'm talking to y'all like I've been in school for years now. I'm gonna tell you what I learned so far. And I'm still learning as we go on. Like, I did some real slow stuff. Shout out to Ariana, that's my dog. She really be helping me like with everything. Shout out to you, Shawty. But no, make sure you get friends in college, cause real deal, they gonna help you. Like, they probably have the same question y'all have. You just gotta communicate with each other, and that's just that on that, period. But no, for real though, like, get you some friends, and it'll make college so much easier. Stay with you some snacks. Stay with you some snacks, cause somebody knocking on my door. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry. I had to go get my door, cause some boy wanted some dryer sheets. But no, that made me a new bowl of cereal. But anyways, let me fix the camera back. I was talking about friends. Yeah, get you some friends. And lastly, when it comes to like the test and the quiz, study. The reason I say study is because the teachers, they tend to go over like hella work, like so much work. And it's like, if you don't take notes or if you don't like study for the quizzes or the tests, you're not gonna remember none of that, because they give you so much per section. Like every class session, they go over so much work. So take notes. I make okay, these are sticky notes, but I make them into like flashcards, and they help me study. So I suggest y'all get flashcards, anything to help you study if you got bad memory, because I do. But yeah, that's really the end of this video. I don't want to chat with y'all too long, take up all y'all time, you know. But if you like this video, make sure you comment down below. Y'all give me some more ideas on what to post. I don't be knowing what to post since I've been in school because I've been so busy. Oh my goodness. But no, for real though, y'all comment down below what I should post. I'm thinking about doing some interviews soon. So yeah, y'all click that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching. See you in the next video.